Hi guys. Hi guys. Good evening, my dear students. Hello everyone. How are you all doing?
Guys, good evening, my
Okay. Yes. Hi Nilpad. Hi Kirtesh. Hi Hemlata. Hi Sarita. How are you all, my dears? Good evening. And today we are going to do the two important chapters for your Pariksha series, and they are factorization and introduction to graphs. So if you remember, we have done the different methods of factorization in the chapter. So today let's quickly recall them before we start with the Menti. Hi Samruddhi, hi Adya, hi Nikhil, hi Aarti, hi Anand, hi Priyal. I do remember you, my dear. Hi Manpreet, welcome to all the lovely young wonders out there. How are you all doing? Quickly let me know in the chat box. How's the February month going on for you all, with a very crucial time to start with your preparations? As the Pariksha is on the way, I think some of you have started also. Yes. Hi Tanishka. Hi Mangala. Hi Kirtesh. Hi Sumya. Hi Bharat. Hi Jyoti. Welcome. So it's going nice. Yes. It should go awesome, my dears. So amazing. We will be doing the topic today, factorization and introduction to graphs. So before we move ahead, quickly let me show you the daily schedule for Vedantu Young Wonder. So at 3 o'clock, I hope you have attended the session with Sahil sir for the foundation series. Sharp at 5 o'clock, Priya ma'am is there to take your Pariksha series. 6:30 and 8 o'clock, Sundar sir will be coming live. And 9 o'clock, Pratesh sir will be taking your science class. So great going, guys. And all those who have forgotten what's tomorrow. Very good, Priyal. Oh, you are in Ireland. Amazing. Hi, Swam. Hi, Vriddhi. Study light I'll be taking tomorrow. So tomorrow is your Abhyas series at 3:15 p.m. as it's a Friday. So guys, do you all know what are we going to do tomorrow? What are we going to do tomorrow? I hope all of you have attended the session previous Friday at 3:15 p.m. where we started with Abhyas series, and we have done the two important sections of your exam, that is one marker and two marker. And tomorrow we are going to start with, quickly let me know in the chat box. It's time to start with the three marker questions. So all those who have missed out session number 1 for the Abhyas series. This is for Abhyas series, as we are done almost with the Pariksha series. So we have started with Abhyas so that your fear for attempting the final exam this year is taken away, and you know how to present your answers and what all are the important topics, right? Yes, my dears. Great. So tomorrow, do not forget to attend the Abhyas series with me at 3:15 p.m. And yes, do follow me on Instagram by the ID of Priya underscore Vedantu, where you will be getting the updates. You will get actually the reminders for attending the classes, the new sessions which are starting, the new series which are coming up, many more surprises. And let me tell you today itself that next week you are having a new series, a new sessions, and that's going to be really amazing from the studio. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel on the right bottom if you haven't done so, if you haven't done so, because that will give you the notifications for the amazing series which is starting the next week onwards. So you are the first one to whom I have informed. So guys, let's get started with the revision for factorization and introduction to graphs. And I can see many of your friends haven't joined, so I'm giving you a minute to quickly share the session with your friends and ask your friends. Tell them that the session has started for the Pariksha series, and these are the two important topics which we are starting. So let's have more number of joinees. Hi Mandeep, hi Apeksha, hi Sneha, hi Divyasa, hi Nishta, hi Gitika. Great guys. Hi Dragon Ball. A big shout out to you all, my dears. Quickly. Hi Kanishka Sharma, welcome to your first class, my dear. Hi Avishi, hi Tanishka, hi Nandita. Welcome. Hi Neha, welcome to the class, guys. So let's get started with the factorization. Have you all shared the session with your friends? Have you all given a quick hit like to it? And on the right bottom, you will see the Vedantu Young Wonders logo. So today we are going to have a quick recall of both the topics and then a live Menti quiz. And all the new joinees, if you have to learn these topics with me in detail, just go to the channel where I have taken each and every chapter in detail in the Siksha series. And this is Pariksha series going on right now. Hi Ishit, hi Akila, hi Annie, welcome. Yes, understanding is more important than knowledge. Well said, Mandeep. Well said. Annamalai, you can ask your doubts. Hi Stuti, hi Abhinav, welcome, welcome. Hi Dipit. So guys, let's get started with the first chapter for today, and that is factorization for your pariksha. First of all, what is factorization? Whenever you divide your term into the factors, when we decompose it, when we get the factors in such a way that if you multiply, you will come back to the question. You will come back to the question, right? This is how we get the factors. First of all, this is what is factorization. So let's take an example. Suppose if 2x plus 2 is your question and they are asking you to factorize this. So what will you do? The first thing. Can you all tell me in the chat box, my dear? Hi guys, I am not ignoring anyone. So it's a very important concept. Now quickly let's recall, and during the session I am going to surely take all the names. Okay? So don't think Priya ma'am is ignoring anyone. I am not. Chalo, before we start with the factorization, tell me a very important thing. Do we take out the common factors first or the uncommon factors? Common first or uncommon? Okay, Nandita is saying common. Kim is saying 2 is common. Okay, great, great. Aradhya says common. Is it so? Do we take out the common factors first before we do the factorization? Yes, yes. Great, Priyal, Marsita. Well done, well done. Yes, Asha, Madhusmita, well said. So we take the common first, and 2x plus 2 has 2 in common. So take it out from the bracket, and in the bracket now take C. All the numbers which you can take out from the common part. Now 2 is already common in the first term. What is left? X. Then it's a plus, so let's write a plus sign in the bracket. Then out of 2, if you have already taken 2, how will you get 2 again? Which number should you take? That which when multiplied by itself gives you the same number. That is 1. That is 1, bacho. Right? So now let's see the different methods of factorization. I am giving you 30 seconds in the chat box. Guys, quickly, I can't see your friends. Hi Arshia. Yes, yes, yes. Hi Divyansh. So can you all tell me the methods of factorization which we have discussed? Do you remember the names of the methods of factorization? Yes? Yes or no? Who all remembers? Hi Chris, welcome to your first class. Prabha says middle term splitting. Very good. Marisita says, okay, it's Yukta Shriyuma. You says regrouping. Well said. What about others? 2 methods I got. What about others? 2 more methods are there. We have total 4 methods. Taking out the common factor. Yes, that is right only. That is right only. So let's see the first one, that is taking out the common factors. Because whatever method you use, our first step is taking out the common factors only. Then it's a grouping method or regrouping, splitting of the middle terms, and then you have difference of 2 squares. So these are the different methods which we are going to take it up today. Yes, Prabha, it's actually identities. So let's see. My dear Gaurav, prime factorization is used in all the methods when you have to take out the common factors. Okay? Chalo bachcho. Next is sum or difference of 2 cubes. Actually, all these are identities only. So if you see the first one, that is common factor. So what is the common factor in this number in terms of numbers first of all? So all of you let me know in the chat box, out of the numbers which I have circled, what is the common number? What is the common number? Quickly, 3. Are you sure? Kim says 3, Nandita says 3. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, let's all participate in the chat box. The chat box is open for all of you. Yes, the number common is 3. Why? Because all of them are multiples of 3. So 3 can be taken out as the highest common factor. But if you see the variables now, we can take only A as common. Why not B? Because B is not there in the first term. It is there in the other two terms, but common means it should be common from all the numbers. Right? So if out of from A, 3A square, you have taken 3A, then you should be left with just A, my dears. Because that will give you 3A square. Then it was a minus, so let's keep the minus. Then out of 6, if 3 is taken out, we do not write 3 inside the bracket. We write the number divided by the common factor gives you 2. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So you got 2AB because there were 2 A's in the middle one. So if A is taken common, you still have one more A as uncommon factor. Minus 12 divided by 3 again 4. A is taken common, so what is left inside? B square. What is left inside? B square. So that is how we take out the common factors. Now next one is regrouping or grouping. Now in this, my dears, if you remember, what do? We write them in such a way that however two terms you take, you should have a number or a variable common in them. But if you see in the first one, except one, nothing is common. So we can't go ahead with the solution as it is. We have to regroup them. We have to change their positions. Well said, Nandita. So taking A as common from the first two terms, you are left with A minus 2. And from the other two, if you take B as common, it is 2B, my dear. Then you are getting plus B and in the bracket A minus 2. In the bracket A minus 2. So you got the answer as A plus B and A minus B. A plus B and A minus B. Right? Now comes our next method, splitting the middle terms, which you are saying since the beginning. So how do we split the middle term? You have to take out such factors of the number, the last number, or if there is something in the first number also. Yes, so you have to multiply them and then you have to split their factors. Like 28, you can get 7 into 4. You can get 7 into 4. So how will you take out 3? Minus 3 if you add them. So the greater number should be minus. So your splitting comes as minus 7x and plus 4x. Minus 7x and plus 4x. So that gives you minus 3x. That gives you minus 3x. So now let's just do the regrouping method, taking out x common from the first two terms. And then for other terms, you are getting plus 4 common. No Annamalai. Okay. So this is how you get your answer. By splitting the middle terms. Well said, Prabha. Well said. And here we come to the last method, that is difference of two squares. Difference of two squares, if it is given like this, actually this is identity. Can you tell me in the chat box? Anna, you can put up your doubts, my dear. Can you tell me the identity which you can use in this difference of two squares? Hi Sahil, hi Jugu. Guys, I am not ignoring anyone. So quickly let me know the answer for this. A square minus B square, is it so? Well said, well said. It is A square minus B square and that identity is A plus B, A minus B. But you should have A and B in it. So what is A? What is A? A is 4x. Because if you do the square of 4x, you will get 16x square. And if you do the square of 7y, you will get 49y square. You will get 49y square. So it becomes 4x plus 7y, 4x minus 7y. You can write them in any of this. You can write them in any order, either a plus b first or a minus b first. Great. Sanjay, my dear, for splitting the middle term, you have to take the last term and the coefficient of x square and multiply them. So here it's just 1. So 1 into 28 is 28 only. So split the number 28 in such a way that the two factors which you get, if you multiply them, you will get minus 28. Signs also have to be taken care of. But in front of which number should I keep minus? That depends on the middle term. That is minus 3. So if you need the sum as negative number, that means your greater number should have a negative sign. Because different signs we subtract and we put the sign of greater integer. And we put the sign of greater integer. Sanjay, I hope it's clear now. So you have split up the center term now as minus 7x and plus 4x. After that, it's just regrouping method again. Cool blocks, no one is ignoring you. Hi, Neelam. Okay, great. So before we move ahead, it's time for all you to quickly give a hit like to the session and subscribe to the channel on the right bottom and share it with your friends. Yes, Menti will be there. Hi, Prachi. Hi, Manshika. Hi, Anna. Guys, different identities can be used in the factorization. We have done different types of identities, right? Okay, hi Manav. Hi Harini. Hi Pranav. Great. So here comes your very important information, that is, if you want to gain 100% knowledge, if you want to score 100% marks, just go to the description box. There will be a link for the unlimited live classes with high level quizzes, interactive replays, like how you are waiting for the quizzes right now to play with your favorite master teachers. Similarly, in the pro subscription batches, you have quizzes, hotspots in each and every session. And you will be able to download the handwritten notes of your favorite master teachers in class doubt solving. So apart from me, there will be separate class teachers to take up your doubts. So do not miss out this opportunity, because after every session, you get assignments. After every chapter is completed, you get tests. Along with it, you are getting 5,000 plus micro courses and crash courses free of cost. So the more number of classes you attend, the lesser you pay for each and every class. So in the pinned comment in the description box, you will be able to see the pro subscription link. The pro subscription link, and the code for it is PJAPRO. PJAPRO. PJAPRO, where you will get the discount. Yes, Madhav, I'll show you how amazing it is that even if you attend each and every class, you are paying less than 5 rupees for it. You are paying less than 5 rupees for it. And it's not just for maths. It is for all the 4 subjects. It is for all the 4 subjects. Which are 4 subjects? Maths, Science, English, and Social. All the opportunities, all the benefits for each and every subject in just less than 5 rupees. So the more number of classes you attend, the lesser you pay for each and every class by putting the code as PJAPRO. And with this, you will be able to learn for your academic year 2021. You will be able to prepare for your finals. All the doubts will be cleared. Your fear will be taken away. Last minute revisions will be done in detail with quizzes with the India's best master teachers for all the 4 subjects. And that will just cost you 1600, not just 1600 for one subject, but for your each and every class, it's just less than 5 rupees. It is just less than 5 rupees. right? So before we move ahead, let's quickly revise the chapter Introduction to Graphs, and then it's time to play the live Menti quiz. Right? Here comes your graph. What is graph? Where we represent our data in the form of graphical description. Graphical depiction, that as in when you see, you get your answer. Like, they are the visual representation. Instead of reading the data in a paragraph form or in numbers, just by visualizing it, we can easily tell the answers. We can easily predict the data. So right now I want to collect the data from each one of you. How many of you are maths lovers over here? How many of you are maths lovers? Let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box quickly. So with that data, we can visually represent that how many of my class students, my lovely young wonders out here, are the maths lovers. All of you. Sure. Me, I. Why came, why you are not? Annie, it is for till 21st March, more than a month, till your final exams are over. Wow, so many of you are maths lovers. So if I want to represent this data, I can make easy bar graphs with yes and no, with a yes graph going so on. Right, Samruddhi, I'll make you maths lovers, so start joining the classes each and every day. Okay. So here we represent the data in different forms like pie charts, a colorful circle, bar graphs, line graphs, histogram. All these things can be taken up. Night Dreamer, I'll make you the maths lover. Do not worry. Okay, Gauri. So start joining the classes each and every day. Subscribe to the channel on the right bottom and you will become a maths lover very soon on this channel. ठीक है बच्चों? So yes, quickly, this is your graphical representation. Let's see now bar graph. Here we put the bar graphs. There are two different types of bar graphs: horizontal bar graphs and vertical bar graphs. Horizontal and vertical bar graphs. So the one which I am showing you right now, it is your horizontal bar graph. It is your horizontal bar graph, right? Great. Now let's see how does line graph looks like. The name itself tells that the data will be looking in the form of a line. So here is the graph, a line graph which keeps on changing. First of all, why do we make line graphs? That is by the different periods of time when the data keeps on changing. Like on Sunday, a person did 25 push-ups, but on Monday he did just 15. Tuesday again 25. So the data is continuously changing. Ashwini, my dear, then you can leave the class. No one has forced you to be in the class. Yes, Nandita, for indicating temperatures also came. It is not at all difficult. Hi Preksha, hi Divyansh. Yes, for doing comparison also, we make different types of graphs. Right? So location of a point, like we have a coordinates. We have x coordinate, we have y coordinate. My dear Night Dreamer, we have already done exponents and powers. So please go and check out our each and every video out there. Okay? We have done the chapter in the Pariksha series also and Siksha series also. Marvel Blaze, every day 5 p.m. is maths class. Right now we are done with some of the sessions. So the timing might change. You just need to subscribe to the channel and you will get the bell notifications. So the points, how we write, it is always the x-axis point first and then the y-axis. Together they are called coordinates, and individually x-axis point is called abscissa and y-axis point is called ordinate. It is called ordinates. Vriddhi do's and don't series is over. You can watch the replays on the channel. Okay? So now it's time to start with a lovely Menti quiz with you all, and I won't start the Menti quiz unless and until we have 150 around students in the class, or might be 200, because that is where we'll have a lot of competition. So quickly, you have 1 minute to just share the sessions with your friends. Yes, Hemlita, double bar graph is also there, where we have the data related to a particular period, but for two things. Like suppose a showroom has sold two color cars, red colored and blue colored. So we are showing the data for the whole year, that how many red cars were sold, how many blue cars were sold. So that is the kind of double bar graph which we can draw. Yes, Sandhya, we will be starting very soon. Before we start, quickly give a hit like to the session, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And subscribe to the channel on the right bottom. Yes, Manali, it's time to play the Menti quiz now. And all the grade 8 students, do not forget to connect to me on the channel tomorrow at 3:15 p.m. where we are going to do your Abhyas series. That's the practice series where I am taking up full 80 marks paper for you all as a sample paper, so that you do not have any fear when you are attempting your final exams this year. And each and every doubt, how to present the answer, everything will be clear to you in the series. We have already covered 1 and 2 markers, and now it's time to start 3 marker questions tomorrow. Okay, and if anyone has missed out the previous session on Friday, watch the replay and then join back the class. Chalo, let's get started with the code 3113 293. Samruddhi, you need to answer as fast as you can. Then only you will be coming on the leaderboard. Everyone will come. Sheetal, my dear, grade 6 class is also there. Annie Abhyas series is at 3:15 p.m. in the afternoon. Great guys, quickly. Cool blocks, all the best for your exam. No, Chris, not at all. Okay, so let's get started. Hi Debanil, welcome. Hi Aditya. So let's see how many of your friends have joined us in the session. Have joined us in the Menti quiz. Very few of you guys. Quickly, let's start faster. Very good night, dreamer. Amazing. Ashwin bhai, we have already done chapter 12. If you have any doubts, you can let me know in the telegram. Yes, Karthik. Hi, Sangeeta. Hi, Nandini. Hi, Khushi. Madhusmita, all the best for your exams. All the best to each one of you, my dears. Quickly. Very few of you have joined the session. Have joined the Menti quiz. Quickly. Okay, Annie has joined. Let's see. So let me see your lovely profile pictures now, and then we are gonna refresh. Sure, Kim. Hi, Vanshika. Hi, Anokhi. Hi, Anu. Hi, Poonam. Hi, Khushi. Quickly, guys. Gauri, you have joined. That's amazing. Great. Another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here comes your first question. All the best, my dears. So without wasting time, let's quickly do. So first question is for factorization. The factorization of 12a square b plus 16ab square will give you which of them? Akshop, quickly, my dear. Last 13 seconds more. Another 5, 3, 2, 1, and the time's up. With the correct answer to it being option D, 4 was the common factor in 12 and 16. How can you take 3? All the options were having 3, so it was 4. Because 12 and 16 both are multiples of 4, and then we will see the common in the alphabets also, and then the uncommons in the bracket. Right? So Machan, Viraj, Annamalai, Said Zayed, Dragonite, Shreyas, Sahana, Shravani, Nandita and Sangeet. Well done. Thank you, Viraj. Love you too, my dear. Quickly. Hi, Preksha. Hi, Poonam. No, Karthik. Hi, Naresh. Hi, Abhishek Gupta. And here comes your next question. Question number 2 on your screen. The factorization of 49x plus 56 is. What will be the factorization of this algebraic expression? Another 23 seconds more. Last 8 seconds, quickly. Hi Renu. Hi Jivanshi. Hi Dipali. Guys, with the correct answer to it being, thank you Swayam Raj, option C. Option C, my dear. Let's see the leaderboard. Let's see the leaderboard. Hi Raksha, thank you. Hi Machan, Virat, Annamalai, Nandini, Nandita, Aditi, Soni, Saksham, Aditya and Mon mathematician. Well done. So here we have the second question's leaderboard in front of us with very few points difference. And here comes your next one. Thank you, Swayam Raj. Quickly, guys. Question number 3 on your screen, and I can see some of your friends are just joining. So let's get started over here for this question. Thank you, Anoki. The factors of 12xy minus 4y plus 9x minus 3 are. A small hint here, you need to use regrouping. So another 30 seconds for this one. I gave you 35 seconds. Vishnu Priya, link for what, my dear? For what you are asking the link? For Pro Subscription or for Menti quiz? Last 10 seconds. For the quiz, you have to go to www.menti.com and click on the code. On the top, you can see a line. Great job done, guys. With the correct answer to it is option A. And maximum of you got it right. Yes, Akshay. A is right. Annamalai, Viraj, Machan, Nandini, Nandita, Aditi, Saksham, Soni, Tanishka and Madhusmita. Well done. A change in the leaderboard. Great job done, guys. So many new students are joining in each and every question. That's amazing. Chalo. So keep up the spirit. If you want to come to the leaderboard, you have to answer as fast as you can. And here comes your question number 4. The factors of p square minus 1 are. So read the questions quickly. Is it option A, option B, option C or option D? Hi Tesh, hi Deepa. Code is 3113293. Another 10 seconds more for all of you. One, and the time's up. With the correct answer to it being option A. That is P plus 1 and P minus 1. Right? Minus 1. Annamalai, Tanishka, Saksham, Viraj, Nandita, Aditi, Karthik, Mon mathematician Samruddhi and IIT JEE. Who's this? Great, great, great. Chalo, next question on your screen. Question number 5, 3, 2, 1 and here we go. Hi Bala Murali. Okay Kumkum. A dash is a type of a graph that shows data in intervals. Is it a bar graph, pie chart, histogram or line graph? Which shows in intervals. Another 22 seconds more. Very good. Hi Kavi. Last 14 seconds more. which shows the data in different intervals. 3, 2, 1, and the time's up with the correct option to it being option C, my dears, histogram, where you have the data in intervals. So you have Annamalai, Karthik, Aditi Mon, mathematician, IIT, JEE, Vibha, Shreya, Mathili, Anya and Nandini. Well done. New joinees again, and Annamalai is actually on top with a huge difference. With a huge difference. Keep it up, guys. So next question. Question number 6, and we have to answer fast to get more points. Not only on the leaderboard, to get more points. And your time starts now for 6th question. A graph that displays data that changes continuously over a period of time is called bar graph, pie chart, histogram or line graph, which changes during period of time. Aryan, coordinate geometry. Hi Ajmal. Hi Samita. Last 10 seconds more. Another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the time's up with the correct answer to it being line graph, which changes over period of time. That is called line graph. So Annamalai, Karthik, Mon, mathematician, Aditi, Vibha, Maithili, Anya, Shreya, Nandini and Machan. Well done. A twist again. And here comes your next question. Quickly. 3, 2, 1. Hi Shweta. And here we go with the second last question. Let's see. Which point lies on y-axis? So see all the points. Kamlesh, just revise all the concepts, my dear. Shweta Nigam, I am not ignoring you. Hi Advika. Hi study only. Hi medical officer. Last 6 seconds more. Oh, you are Shrishti. Hi Shrishti. 2, 1 and the time's up. With the correct answer to it is not option B, it's option C. Lies on y-axis means x-axis should be 0. X-axis should be 0. So we have Annamalai, Karthik, Mon, mathematician, Aditi, Vibha, Shreya, Machan, Shravani, Navediti and Saksham. Well done. Well done, guys. So last question on your screen, and before we jump to the last question, quickly give a hit like to the session, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel on the right bottom. Sharing you can do later right now. So quickly give a hit like, and on the right bottom click on the Vedantu Young Wonders logo. A pop-up will come. There you will get a subscribe button. Click on it. And it's free of cost, and you will become a family member of 4,22,000 plus subscribers. So here we start with the last question for today, grade 8. Let's focus. The point 4, 0 lies on which of the following? Is it x-axis, y-axis, origin or none of the above? Another 24 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds quickly. Hi Priyanshu. Hi Amit. Hi Prachi. And the time's up with the correct answer to it being x-axis, because y-axis point is 0. So it is x-axis. It cannot be origin, because at origin both should be 0. So we have the final leaderboard in front of us. Aditi, Mon, mathematician, Vibha, Machan, Shreya, Shravani, Annamalai, Saksham, Nivedhini and Karthik Gupta. Well done. Vedaditi Verma is the winner for today's quiz with 7,175 points. Congratulations Aditi, my dear, and all those who are asking for the pro subscription link, here it is in the description box. So just go to your description box. You will find the link for the pro subscription batches, where you are getting the amazing discount by putting the code as PJAPRO for the preparation of your final exams. So it is till 21st March. You will be getting the classes free if this package you are taking, where each and every class will be just less than 5 rupees. So do not miss out each of the sessions, guys. Enroll yourself today itself, and do not forget to join me at 3:15 p.m. tomorrow for grade 8, where we are doing the Abhyas series 3 marker questions. So inform your friends as well. Be ready at 3:15, and do follow me on Instagram by the ID of Priya_Vedantu. Connect to us on Telegram via this link. Again, it's free of cost for the latest updates. And yes, keep giving a hit like to the session. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel by clicking on the right bottom on your screen, and you will become a family member, a lovely younger family member for this super big family of 4,22,000 plus subscribers. So guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you, Gauri. Thank you so much for a lovely promise, guys. So promise me one more promise for today's promise day, that tomorrow you are going to see me at 3:15 p.m. for the Abhyas series, and inform your friends. Let's do a dhamakedar quiz tomorrow with dhamakedar 8 questions for 3 marks. How to present your answer, what all are the important points, I'll be telling you each and everything. So promise me, let's have 300 students in the class tomorrow at 3:15 p.m. in the afternoon. So complete your target. Take up the promise from Priya ma'am. Bye bye everyone. Take care. See you in the afternoon tomorrow. Bye.